Bless up everyone. This amount of traffic is not unusual in Campbelltown. This is Hart Street where you have parking on both sides of the road. Walk with a $200. It's $200 for parking. Rosemont Avenue, both sides full with vehicle, right? As the traffic court is in session. With the backdrop of the Sabina Park, you would think that this crowd is for a cricket match, but that's not the case. These are motorists who are trying to benefit from an early court date before the new Road Traffic Act law that comes in effect on February 1st. Hundreds of people turned up to get a court date. However, there was some delay.
Please check your printouts to see where the ticket was issued. It will tell you. We only deal with matters for Kingston and St. Andrew only. Kindly write your contact information on your printout.
If you have an outstanding ticket and you plan to go to the traffic court today, clear your schedule. Print 2 copies of the printouts, right? You need 1 copy to be stamped. You need another copy to write your phone number for them to call you to give you a court date. This information was gathered based on my observation. Now, parking might be a challenge and the sun is out. Based on what I understood, they're trying to go up until 5 p.m. So you have until 5 to get through today. Hopefully they do an extension.